Bonjour tout le monde. Good day, everyone. Je suis Arpita Garg. I am Arpita Garg. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres. Today, we are going to learn the numbers. In this video, we are going to learn the numbers in French, starting from 1 and ending with 20. Okay? Like in English, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3. So what do we call these numbers in French will be discussed today. And knowing the numbers is just as equally as important as knowing the alphabets or knowing the words, right? Okay, so let us begin. We all are aware of the numbers, counting, etc., right? So we'll directly begin. What do we call the numbers? So the first one is 1, and 1 in French is un. You can see the spelling written UN. So the pronunciation of UN is un in French. Un means 1. And surprisingly, un also means in French. The article is in French. Okay. So it can be learned in two ways. Means also, and means 1 also in French. Okay. Next one we have is 2, and 2 is called as the, not the. X will not be pronounced. Okay, what it will be? The. So 2 is the. Keep on repeating after me. The next number which we have is 3, and 3 is Trois. What is it? Trois. So here it is very important to know that the sound of OI in French is va, and the sound of S will not be pronounced. So what is 3 in French? It is Trois. Okay. Moving on to the next, we have 4. Okay. And 4 in French is, it is very easy pronunciation, Quatre. Trivia, it is Quatre. And Quatre can be easily correlated to quarter. In English or in mathematics, we say no, quarter means 4, right? Similarly, from there only this word Quatre has come, and Quatre means 4. So it is very easy to learn. Next is 5, and 5 is in French is cinq. Cinq. Okay, cinq, then cinq. Right? The sound of IN is a, okay, and Q is k. So the number is cinq. Répétez après moi. Cinq. Now let us repeat first. Just repeat after me. 1 is a, 2, the, very good. 3, trois, 4, quatre, 5, cinq. Got it? Okay, trivia. Now moving on to the next set of numbers. We have 6. So here it is written S-I-X. You may pronounce it as 6. No, be careful. 6 is in English. Okay. In French, it is sis. What is it? Sis. Okay. Next one is 7. So it is S-E-P-T. The pronunciation is set. The sound of P will be silent. So it will be set. And this S-E-P-T can be very easily correlated to maths or English. We study now a heptagon or a septagon. From there only S-E-P-T this has been taken. But the only difference is that the pronunciation will not be sept. It will be set. Okay. The next one we have for 8 is with. Listen again. With. Not hit. The sound of H will be silent because we know that H is a vowel in French, right? So it will be with. Okay. Next is 9. 9 is nuff. Very easy to pronounce. Nuff. Excellent. And next we have is 10. It is not dick. It is this. What is this? This. Okay. So till now we learned the numbers starting from 1 to 10. Let us repeat together. 1, 2, the, 3, Trois, 4, Quatre, 5, Cinq, 6, Six, 7, Sept, 8, Huit, 9, Neuf, 10 is this. Bravo. Now, proceeding further, we have 11. 11 in French is owns. Listen again, owns. Okay. Then we have 12 and it is douze. What is it? Douze. Next one is 13, which is treize. Very easy pronunciations, very easy to learn and understand both. 13 is treize. Okay. Next we have 14, which is quatorze. 4 was quatre, right? So 14 is quatorze. Okay. 15 is quinze. Again, just remember the sound of I-N is air. So 15 is quinze. Okay, we'll now repeat once again from 11 to 15. You also keep on repeating after me. Okay, so 11 is owns. Very good. 12 is douze. 13, treize. 14, quatorze. 15, quinze. Fifth. Now moving on to the next set, we have 16. 16 is set. What is it? Says. Okay. Says. Okay. Next is 17. So you can see here there's nothing new written in French. There are two words, this and set. Right? So what is this? Very good. This means 10. Okay. And set means 7. I told you know from septagon or heptagon. Very good. So 10 plus 7 means 17. So this is the number. Okay. Similarly for 18, we have this with. This means 10 and with means 18. Sorry, 8. So it becomes 18. And similarly for 19, we have this nuff. This means 10 and nuff means 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. So it is a very important trick we can say to learn that 17, 18, 19 in French are nothing but a split up. 17 will be split into, very good, 10 plus 7, which is this set. 18 will be split into 10 plus 8, which is this width. And 19 will be split into 10 plus 9, which is this num. Understood? Excellent. And the last one for the day which we have is 20. And 20 is something new, which is, you say it yourself. Excellent. It is where. Again, the sound of I-N is eh. So it is where. And the sound of T will not be pronounced. So it is where. 20 in French is where. Okay. So what we learned today, we learned the numbers from 1 to 20. I'll just now again repeat. And you also recall and repeat with me or after me. So 1 is 2 is the, 3 trois, 4 quatre, 5 cinq, 6 six, 7 sept, 8 with, 9 neuf, 10 this. Très bien. 11 owns, 12 douze, 13 treize, 14 quatorze, 15 quinze, 16 seize, 17 this set, 18 this with, 19 this neuf, 20 where. Okay. Now we did the numbers from 1 to 20, but we did not do what is 0, right? So what is 0 in French? In English, we write 0 as Z-E-R-O. So only difference is that replace the Z with X. So it is 0. And the pronunciation will again the same. So 0 in French is 0. Okay, 0, not 0. It is 0. And the spelling will be X-E-R-O. 0. Understood? Très bien. So this was all for today's video in which we learned about les nombres, which are the numbers in French from 1 to 20, and we also included a 0, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. À bientôt.